Guys.
Hey Steve, we're on Maui.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming to Maui. Thank you. Thank you, guys. All right, take care. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. That was the Monroe family from Idaho. What a fun foursome that is, Patricia.
Yeah.
Oh, so good to see them. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Patricia and I have been gone just a little bit. We're excited to get back doing videos. And it is July 4th here in Lahaina town, and there's a big fireworks show. We want to show them all about Front Street, what it looks like, and then show them the fireworks, right?
We miss you guys.
Yeah. We miss you guys a lot. Thanks a lot for showing up. Thanks a lot for watching. And let's get to showing you around Lahaina town and then the fireworks, which start, what, 8 o'clock?
Yes.
Something like that. 8 o'clock, I think the fireworks will start. All right, let's go.
Aloha, be back.
Hey guys, Front Street and the whole Maui, the whole island is packed. A lot of
Yes.
people, yeah?
Yeah, I'm so excited
Yeah.
to see that.
Oh, it's exciting to see everybody's back. You know, Patricia, before we get into the fireworks here, I think the crowd this year was maybe as big as what we saw before the pandemic. What do you think?
Oh yeah, right.
Pretty big, right?
Oh yeah.
All right,
Lots of
guys.
people.
Lots of people, guys. All right. Showed you a little bit of the folks walking around. Big crowd down at the park. Man, that place was packed.
Yep.
All right, now we're going to hang loose for a little bit and watch the fireworks at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Let's go, okay?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
You see him? We didn't record that.
Hey guys, what do you think of the fireworks? You know, for a little island in the most isolated place on the planet, I think we do a pretty good job. The end there, the grand finale, was really good. All right, Patricia's shooting the video. Say hi, Patricia.
Hi.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're back. Got a bunch of videos coming up real soon. Can't wait to do some different things to show you here on Maui, and also maybe go back and give you the 2022 version of restaurants, some beaches, and everything else. So stay tuned, we're back into it. Hey, like always, check below in the description field. There's a whole bunch of documents I'll be glad to send you. A lot of people shoot me an email, and I love to send people on my favorite restaurants, some of Patricia and I's favorite beaches, bunch of information I'll be glad to send you. I hope you come to Maui soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.